The number one reason why you are not getting hired on LinkedIn. Moms, if you are looking for a job or if you're a freelancer, this is the number one reason why you are not getting hired on LinkedIn. After working with a lot of moms, be it in corporate or freelance, the number one problem that I found common among these freelancers and job seekers is one thing, the lack of confidence. Yes, the lack of confidence about yourself, about your experience, about your expertise. The lack of experience about your products and services is the number one problem that's stopping you from showing up. Yes, imagine if you're on LinkedIn and if you are not confidently first sharing about your profile in terms of who you are, what you do best, and how can you contribute to a company or to a business owner. Imagine how much you are losing because people will not recognize you for who you are first if you don't confidently share about who you are. Second, if you're not confidently connecting with the right people who can help you achieve your goals. See, on LinkedIn is a very professional community where you get an opportunity to connect with so many like-minded people who can support your advocacy or whatever goals you have in mind. Personally, for me, I was able to accomplish so much, connect with the right people, land into so many gigs and interviews and so on, because I confidently asked, can you help me with my advocacy about Working Moms Academy? Similarly, I also confidently put myself forward and say, how can I support you? How can I help you? So it is very important for you to be confident. And I think the first step to be confident is to be confident about how you look. For so many years, I struggled with being on camera because, I was thinking, oh my God, my eyes, my hair, how I look, right? That is why in 2022, I am launching Detox program. Detox program is all about helping moms achieve their weight goals. Because the moment you lost weight, you will have more confidence. First, to show up. Second, you have more confidence to stand in your power and to share about who you are, your journey. And not only about weight loss, I will also help you detox. Not only the thoughts that you have in your mind about weight loss, but also detox and remove these negative thoughts, feelings, and emotions that is stopping you from showing up on LinkedIn. If you want to dominate LinkedIn in 2022, if you want to get hired on LinkedIn in 2022, my best advice, this detox program can be the best program for you. And as a bonus, you will get this $299 worth program for free. Check the details below and get more information. And I look forward to seeing you because I want to help you get hired on LinkedIn this 2022. Bye and God bless you.